Do you do novated leases if it's more tax effective to put through my wife's employment arrangement?
Yeah, so novated leases are a funny one. Two types of novated leases is fully maintained, which involves maintenance, fuel, tyres, servicing, and non-maintained. The thing with a novated lease is that whilst it does have some tax benefits, when they're put up against a commercial chattel mortgage, the cost of the novated lease per month is generally far higher than the cost of a chattel mortgage per month. And we've actually run some analysis on this. When you take out the tax benefits that you get through the novated, it actually works out to be cheaper generally to go a straight chattel mortgage because the cost of the novated is so high, the tax benefits don't cover the benefits against a chattel, if you know what I mean. So it actually works out better to go a chattel and forego some of that tax benefit because you're paying so much in repayment to actually get access to that. That is a broad answer. It's obviously deal by deal basis, but that's what we've seen in regard to novated leases, most definitely. They're not something we encourage people to do, but it once again depends on your circumstances.